Imagi.
Have you ever noticed how a baby learns to speak? They do not study grammar books. They listen and they copy. They mimic the sound, the rhythm, and the feeling of the words. Today, you are going to learn English just like that. Welcome to this special lesson on the shadowing technique. My name is your guide, and together, we are going to improve your pronunciation, your fluency, and your confidence. Here is how it works. I will tell you a story. It is a simple story about a day in my life. Your job is to listen to my voice and repeat exactly what I say. Do not just read the words. Copy my emotion. If I sound happy, you sound happy. If I ask a question, you ask the question. Imagine you are my shadow, following my voice wherever it goes. Are you ready to try? Let us begin. First, let me set the scene for you. Imagine a beautiful, bright Saturday morning. The sky is a deep, perfect blue. There are no clouds. The air is fresh and cool. It is the perfect day to be outside. In this story, you are the owner of a very special dog named Max. Max is full of love, and today, he is very excited. Let us start the story. Remember, repeat after me. Today, I woke up with a smile on my face. I looked out the window and saw the sun shining. It was a beautiful morning. I walked into the kitchen and saw my best friend, Max. Max is my dog. He is a golden retriever. He has long, yellow hair and big, brown eyes. When Max saw me, his tail started to move. Swish, swish, swish. He was hitting the side of the table with his tail because he was so happy. I poured myself a cup of coffee, but Max did not want me to drink coffee. He wanted to play. He ran to the door and brought me his favorite toy. It was an old red tennis ball. It was dirty, but Max loved it more than anything in the world. He dropped the ball at my feet. He looked at me, and then he looked at the door. "Okay, Max," I said to him. "You win. Let us go to the park." Max barked one time. Woof! That means thank you in dog language. We walked to the park down the street. The park was very green and very quiet. There were big trees and lots of soft grass. It was the perfect place to run. I took the red ball from my pocket. Max stopped walking. He stood very still. His eyes were locked on the ball. He was ready. "Are you ready, Max?" I asked him. He did not move. He was focused. 1, 2, 3, go! I threw the ball high into the air. It went far across the grass. Max ran faster than a car. He was like a yellow rocket. He ran and ran and ran. He caught the ball in his mouth and turned around. He ran back to me, looking very proud. "Good boy, Max," I said. I rubbed his head. "You are so fast today." We played this game for 20 minutes. I threw the ball. Max brought it back. I threw the ball. Max brought it back. But then, something unexpected happened. Something very strange. I threw the ball near a large bush with purple flowers. Max ran to get it. He disappeared behind the bush. I waited for him to come back. I waited 1 minute. Max did not come back. I waited 2 minutes. Still no Max. Usually, he is very fast. I started to feel a little worried. Was he okay? Did he find a squirrel? "Max?" I called out. "Max, come here!" There was no sound. The park was silent. I walked across the grass toward the purple flowers. My heart was beating a little fast. I looked behind the bush. There was Max. He was standing very still. He was not looking at his red ball. He was looking at a small box on the ground. It was a wooden box. It looked old. The lid was open. "What did you find, Max?" I asked softly. I walked closer. Inside the box, there was not gold or money. There was a tiny, gray kitten. The kitten was very small. It looked scared. It was shaking. Max was not barking. He was being very gentle. He touched the kitten with his nose. The kitten looked at Max. The kitten was not afraid of the big dog. Suddenly, I heard a voice behind me. "Oh, you found him." I turned around. A little girl was running toward us. She looked about 7 years old. She was wearing a pink coat, and she looked very relieved. "Is this your kitten?" I asked her. "Yes," she said. She picked up the tiny gray cat. "His name is Smokey. He ran away from my house this morning. I was looking everywhere for him. I was so sad." She looked at Max. "Did your dog find him?" "Yes," I said. "Max found him." Max is usually crazy, but today he was very gentle. The little girl smiled at Max. "Thank you, big dog," she said. "You are a hero." Max wagged his tail. He picked up his dirty red ball and dropped it at the girl's feet. He wanted to play with her, too. The girl laughed. "He is funny," she said. "Yes," I replied. "He is funny, and he is a good friend." We said goodbye to the girl and the kitten. We walked home slowly. Max was tired now. He walked slowly beside me. I looked at him and felt very happy. We went to the park to play a simple game, but we ended up saving a little life. "Today was a good day, Max," I whispered to him. Max looked up at me and blinked his brown eyes. I think he agreed. That is the end of our story today. How did you do? Did you speak out loud? Did you copy my emotion? Let us take a moment to review what we learned. We practiced simple past tense verbs like woke, looked, ran, and found. We also practiced describing emotions like being worried, relieved, and proud. Remember, language is not just about words on a page. It is about connection. It is about telling a story that connects you to another person. Today, you used English to connect with the story of Max and the kitten. I want you to listen to this lesson again tomorrow. Try to speak at the exact same time as me. This is called shadowing. It will help your mouth muscles get used to English sounds. If you enjoyed this story and want to practice more English with me, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. We have many more stories to tell, and I want you to be part of them. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, every day is a new opportunity to learn. See you in the next lesson.